In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monzo for international payments and currency conversion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how conversions work when you spend abroad, and what's available if you're using a business account. Start by opening the Monzo app and heading to the Payments tab. You'll find it along the bottom of the screen, and it's the hub for sending and receiving money. This is where you manage transfers to friends, set up bank payments, and importantly for today, handle your international transfers and currency conversions. Inside Payments, look for Transfer Internationally. This is the feature that lets you convert money to different currencies and send it overseas. Tap it, choose the currency you want, and enter the amount. The app will guide you through the details so you can review everything before you confirm. Take a moment to double check the currency and amount so you get the outcome you expect. You'll see a clear breakdown on screen, making it easy to understand what's being converted and where it's going. If you're traveling or paying a foreign merchant with your Monzo card, the conversion is handled automatically at the MasterCard exchange rate with no extra fees from Monzo. That means you get a competitive rate with no hidden markups. A helpful tip when you're abroad: if a card machine or website asks whether to charge you in your home currency or the local currency, choose the local currency. That ensures the MasterCard rate is used rather than a potentially worse rate set by the merchant. For those using a Monzo business account, you can hold euros, US dollars, and pounds directly. This is great if you work with international clients or suppliers because you can keep money in the currency you earn or spend without converting right away. It makes cash flow simpler, helps you avoid unnecessary conversions, and gives you more control over when you exchange between currencies. You can view each balance in the app, switch between them, and manage your international finances in one place alongside your day-to-day business spending. To recap, the Payments tab is your starting point. Use Transfer Internationally when you want to convert and send money to different currencies. When you spend on your card abroad, Monzo automatically uses the MasterCard exchange rate with no extra fees from Monzo. And if you have a business account, you can hold euros, US dollars, and pounds directly for smoother international operations. That's all you need to get started with Monzo and currency conversion. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.